Real Debrid vs TorBox best streaming and download service. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to compare Real Debrid and TorBox. All of them are tools that make it easier to stream or download media, but they focus on slightly different things. Let's start with Real Debrid. This is a multi-hoster service that works with streaming apps like Kodi, Streamio, and others. Its main job is to give you premium, quality links from dozens of file hosts. With Real Debrid, you usually get faster speeds, less buffering, and higher quality streams like Full HD or even 4K. It is lightweight, affordable, and simple to set up. You just link it with your app and you are done. The downside is that it does not store your files. It only unlocks links when you want to watch something, so it's not a personal storage solution. The next one to talk about is TorBox. This one is a cloud torrenting service, which means it downloads torrent or magnet links to its servers first, and then lets you stream or download them directly. The big advantage is that you do not have to torrent files on your device, which keeps your internet speed free and adds privacy. TorBox also lets you stream directly in your browser once a file is ready or download it at high speeds. Unlike Real Debrid, it also acts like personal cloud storage since your files stay in your account for a while. The downside is that setup is a bit more technical and storage space depends on the plan you choose. So, which one is the best? It depends on your needs. If you just want smooth streaming inside your favorite apps with less buffering, Real Debrid is the easiest and most reliable choice. But if you prefer downloading torrents to the cloud, want storage, or need the option to stream directly from a web player, TorBox is the better pick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.